Welcome back. What we then want to do is to listen to our script in real time. And we're going to use the default settings. In this particular case, we're going to change the voice for this narration. And we're actually going to use one of the cloned voices that we put together.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
So we're going to select a voice that we have put together. And we're now going to generate the new narration.
Introduction. In the ever changing landscape of life and business, success often depends on our ability to adapt and grow. However, change, whether personal or professional, is rarely a straightforward path. This is where frameworks come into play, offering the structure and guidance necessary to navigate the complexities of transformation. A framework is essentially a set of principles or a system of ideas that provides a methodical approach to solving problems. It is the scaffolding that supports the construction of strategies and the blueprint that directs action toward a defined goal. For consultants and coaches, frameworks are indispensable.
We're going to stop the video here after the first paragraph. And we're going to allow the entire speech to be generated here inside of Elevenlabs. It's at this point that you may want to begin making alterations to the text according to how the AI is reading what it is that you have added. And Elevenlabs does give you tools in order to do it. Now, it's important to note that every time that you regenerate a set of text, that does count against your total inside of Elevenlabs. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.